How to restore Instagram deleted photos. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now after logging into your account, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then here you can see all the posts. Now for example, let's go on to this post, and for example I want to archive this post. So just tap on three dotted lines and then tap on archive option over here. So as I tap on archive, you can see you will no more be able to see the post on my feed. So what I'm going to do is tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen, then tap on your activity and then scroll down and tap on archived. So here you can see the post that I have archived. So tap on the three dotted lines over here and then tap on delete. Tap on delete again. Now go back and tap on recently deleted. So here you can see the option of recently deleted. Now tap on the three dotted lines again and here you can see the option of restore. Tap on restore again. Now you can just now go on to the profile and refresh it. Now just refresh it and just open the Instagram application again. You'll be able to restore the Instagram deleted photos. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification. See you next time.